Hey, how you doing? This is Camden. Here making a video of how to check your payment. So to check your payment, you go to the settings page, which is the gear in the bottom right hand corner. So you click the gear and you go to your settings page, and below gallery says my earnings. So to check your earnings, you would click that page. And the first display is showing you by week of how much you've made in that time period. Then below it is your active time of how much you've worked during that week to earn that amount of money. And this is very inaccurate, the 13 minutes for that amount, because this is just a display to show you for this video. And the total balance is how much you've made in total working for ClothesLyne. And underneath there would be each week will have a certain amount of orders that you've done, displaying them by the number and how much you've made in each amount. So it says total amount, it says 16, and it says a plus 20 after it. The plus 20 would mean that's how much tip I made on top of it. So the 16 is how much I made for the order, and the plus 20 is the tip. And as you see, not every single order has a tip, because not every customer is required to make a tip. But every order you do and you give it the most effort you could, customers feel more implied to give you a tip. So the better work you do, the more tips you're getting over a long course of being a ClothesLyner. So that's a video of how to check your earnings page. Tune in for more. Thank you.